everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. In Himachal Pradesh, 99.7% clear class 10th. Birbhadra Singh's condition stable after he suffers a heart attack. Ensure bin in Himachal by polls JP Nadda to BJP workers. Dalai Lama turns 86 today. India sees around 35,000 new COVID cases, the lowest in 111 days. Cabbies encroach upon lawns of shopping complex in Hamirpur district of Himachal Pradesh. Punjab Congress inviting Chief Minister Amrinder Singh to meet Sonia Gandhi today. Army Chief General Naravne meet UK's Chief of Defence Staff General Sir Carter. Punjab tells large industry to shut operation till July 10 to overcome a power shortage. Bhandaru Dattatreya to be Haryana Governor Rajendran Arlekar that of Himachal Pradesh. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut justifies suspension of 12 Maharashtra BJP MLAs. Now news in detail. In Himachal Pradesh, 99.7% clear class 10th. Over 99% of students pass the class 10th exam, the result of which was declared by the Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education HPBSE yesterday. A press release issued by HPBSE Chairman SK Soni said 99.7% of 1,16,784 students, 88,556 from government schools and 28,228 from private schools passed the exam. This comes after the board cancelled the exams this year because of the COVID-19 pandemic and instead used internal assessment to promote students to the next class. Students could appear for only one exam, that is of Hindi, in person before the state government cancelled the rest. Birbhadra Singh's condition stable after he suffers a heart attack. Six-time Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Birbhadra Singh has been shifted to the Cardiac Care Centre CCU at Indira Gandhi Medical College IGMC after he suffered a heart attack on Monday. Dr. Janak Raj, Senior Medical Superintendent IGMC, said Birbhadra Singh suffered a cardiac arrest on Monday. His condition is serious but stable, he added. Despite having recovered from COVID twice in the last 3 months, Birbhadra Singh remains admitted to IGMC since April 23. Ensure bin in Himachal by polls JP Nadda to BJP workers. BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda was welcomed by Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and other dignitaries at the SASE helipad near Manali yesterday. He visited Atal Tunnel and left for Sisu. He lauded the efforts of the Border Roads Organization BRO for the engineering marvel, stressing its strategic significance from the defense point of view. Later he flew to the Dhalpur ground in Kulo. He paid floral tribute at the bust of Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee at Atal Sadan. Nadda attended the meeting of the party office bearers in Mandi. He urged the party workers to work to ensure the victory of the BJP in the by-elections to the 2 Assembly and 1 Lok Sabha constituencies. Dalai Lama turns 86 today. The Dalai Lama, spiritual head of the Tibetans, turned 86 on Tuesday. In a video message released in the morning from his residence in McLeodganj, the Dalai Lama demanded a gift from his friend that they should remain committed to non-violence and compassion. The Dalai Lama said that being a refugee, he fully utilized India's freedom and concept of secularism. For the rest of our life, I shall be committed to serving humanity and working for the protection of environment, he said. India sees around 35,000 new COVID cases, the lowest in 111 days. India saw a single-day rise of 34,703 coronavirus infection, the lowest in 111 days, taking the total tally of COVID cases to 3,619,932 according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Tuesday. The death toll climbed to 4,03,281 with 553 more fatalities, the lowest in 91 days. The active cases have declined to 4,64,357 and the lowest in 101 days and comprises 1.52% of the total infection. The national COVID recovery rate has improved to 97.17%, the data showed. A net decline of 17,714 cases has been recorded in the active COVID caseload in a span of 24 hours. Cabbies encroach upon lawns of shopping complex in Hamirpur district of Himachal Pradesh. The lawns of the commercial complex in front of the bus stand have been encroached upon by taxi operators, causing loss of business. Constructed about 10 years ago, the complex was lying vacant. The district administration had initiated plans to beautify it and allotted over 70 shops to vendors. It took over a year for the administration to rehabilitate the vendors operating temporary kiosks at Hamirpur. In the meantime, taxi operators started parking their vehicle on the lawns developed for public use. The administration had proposed to install benches for public. The tourism department had to carry out beautification work, but encroachment by taxi operators made it difficult to develop the area. Punjab Congress inviting Chief Minister Amrinder Singh to meet Sonia Gandhi today. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh will meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday amid efforts to end the factionalism within the party state unit ahead of the assembly election. This is the third time that Amrinder Singh is travelling to the national capital over the crisis. Tuesday's meeting comes a day after disgruntled ex-minister Navjot Singh Sidhu, who is at loggerheads with the Chief Minister, met Rahul Gandhi and General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in Delhi. Army Chief General Naravne meet UK's Chief of Defence Staff General Sir Carter. Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Naravne has met UK's Chief of Defence Staff General Sir Nicholas Carter and exchanged views on defence cooperation between the two countries. General Naravne arrived on a two-day visit to the United Kingdom on July 5. The Indian High Commission has said in a statement. During the UK leg of his European tour, General Naravne is also scheduled to meet UK Secretary of State for Defence Ben Wallace and Chief of General Staff General Sir Mark Carlington-Smith. Punjab tells large industry to shut operation till July 10 to overcome power shortage. As the power situation continues to remain grim in Punjab, large-scale industries have been asked to shut down operation for another 3 days till July 10. The orders for extending the power restrictions on large-scale industries using over 100 kilowatt of load in central, north and west zones were issued by Punjab State Power Corporation Limited (PSPCL) late Monday night. The continuous supply industries has also been asked to use just 50% of the sanctioned load or contracted load from July 8 to July 18. These units are so far allowed to use just 30% of the contracted load. Bandaru Dattatreya to be Haryana Governor Rajendra Arlikar, that of Himachal Pradesh. Bandaru Dattatreya will be the new Haryana Governor and Rajendran Vishwanath Arlikar, that of Himachal Pradesh. Ahead of the cabinet reshuffle, the central on Tuesday made the appointments of state governors. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut justified suspension of 12 Maharashtra BJP MLAs. A day after 12 BJP MLAs were suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly for alleged misbehavior, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut said indiscipline could not be tolerated. Even as the opposition party held protests in the Vidhan Bhavan complex and other parts of the state over the action, Raut said never before the state legislature witnessed such indiscipline. The opening day of the state legislature's two-day monsoon session on Monday witnessed high drama as the 12 BJP MLAs were suspended from the assembly for 1 year after the state government accused them of misbehaving with presiding officer Bhaskar Jadhav in the speaker's chamber. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
धूमल क्यों हारे?
सरकार जो है वो कानून व्यवस्था को नियंत्रित करने में नाकाम हो रही है।
इसमें जो दोषी लोग हैं वो जेल की सलाखों के पीछे। तो
rift in the party that has led to the defeat in previous election.
The rift कोई नहीं थी पार्टी में।
ग्रामीण शिमला की बात करते हैं।
Unprecedented amount of development work in this constituency.
है कि हमीरपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए जो फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस थी वो भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की वजह से डिले हुई।
हमने केंद्र से फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस करवा कर दी।